What is a stiffener column? Stiffener column is a reinforced cement concrete column which used to strengthen the block or brick walls. It leads to increase the stiffness of entire wall. These columns are not for bare loads. You can see the stiffener columns in these pictures. Vertical ones are the stiffener columns. Stiffener columns are used for aesthetic purposes as well. As a practice, we normally construct stiffener columns by 10 feet intervals. For this type of wall, you can use reinforcing bars as shown in figure below. It shows diameter of 10 mm tow steel 2 bars for main reinforcement and diameter of 6 mm mild steel bars at 200 mm spacing for stirrups. Please note that above all reinforcing details are given by experience at construction sites. If you are given specifications by an engineer, you must follow those guidelines. But if you don't have guidelines, then you can use above reinforcing details without hesitation.